Let's go down memory lane, okay? First, you turn 16, you fall in love, and then you turn 18, you get a job, you have a successful career, you get married, have a family, you turn 50, and then you go past 50, and then suddenly you stop and go, where did all the years go? And then you ask yourself, what have I done? What did I do? You know what? Don't even worry, because all those years in the past made you who you are today. So just when you thought that life was slowing down, you actually feel that you had this renewed zest in life, that the passion that you have in there for doing things that you love is actually still with you. You just set it aside because you had to take care of your family, but it's there, it's burning, just waiting for you to rediscover what you love and once again feel that fire in you. I'd say that happiness is the goal of all goals, because that is a state where we all want to be in, regardless of age, regardless of what we do. I am a happy wife, I am a happy mom, and I actually discovered that now that my girls are older, I have more time for myself. I have more time to be reunited with the things that I love, because honestly, as we get older, we need to take care of ourselves. We can ask ourselves, what am I going to do the next 10 years? Because we can. We're not slowing down. We're just beginning to enjoy life on a different scale. And that is what I'm trying to let everyone know, that there should never be an end to our quest for happiness. Do what you love to do. Like if you love to do crafts, if you love to bike, if you love to run, you love to dance, exercise, you love to read, write, cook, by all means, have fun. Enjoy them, because when we focus on things that we love, we're actually practicing mindfulness. Mental health is truly important. You know, life out there is really hectic. Everything has changed. Too much technology, it's always a fast-paced environment that we are in. We're always in a rush. We multitask as part of our default activities. Before I turned 50, I was always worried about time, that I always had to make sure I was doing something today because I was a worrier. And I was always searching because I always asked myself, what am I here for? What's my purpose? Only when I reached this age, very, very late 50s, that I realized that what I actually was born to do is to share the things that make me motivated in life. What makes me enthusiastic about life? What makes me wake up so early that I can't go back to sleep because I suddenly remembered that I want to do this? That's what I want to share with you. What motivates you to wake up so early that you can't go back to bed? Because you just got to do it. Because once you do it, or while you're doing it, you're feeling so enthusiastic and motivated. You can't stop. There's just so much going on around us, so much pain, so much violence. The internet poses so much competition, so much judgment. If we focus on things around us, we forget ourselves. And that's when we become miserable. That's when we feel that we're not enough. Because we're looking at others. We have to look at ourselves. We have to focus on who we are. Who we were yesterday, who we are today, and who we want to be tomorrow. When we focus on ourselves, we build our mental health. We invest in our health. We invest in our spirit, in our soul. Because at the end of the day, we're going to ask ourselves, what did we do? What did we invest in ourselves to make us happy? If you find something that you love to do, just do it with all your heart. So if you're just discovering that you love to garden, by all means, enjoy planting. Enjoy every bud that blooms. Take a photo of all the flowers that bloom in your garden. Enjoy every raindrop. Contentment doesn't come from material things. It comes from within you. It is your happy place. It is what's in your heart that makes you smile and makes you feel so grateful about life, about what you have, regardless of what you have. Being content is actually one road to being happy. Just enjoy the moment. Enjoy something that you love to do. Be mindful of yourself. Feel the love of the people around you. And feel the blessings that you have around you. It's funny that when I stopped searching, that was when I found what I was looking for. And when I stopped asking questions, that was when I found the answers. You know, when you're walking, when you're running, when you're hiking, that's a moment to be grateful. Be grateful for your feet, for your legs. There are people who couldn't walk and would love to be able to stand even in crutches. As they say, dance like no one's watching. I'd say, but give it your best shot. Sing like you're singing to God or with the angels, because that's when you actually feel the meaning of the song. When you cook, feel like someone special is coming for dinner. Like your child who just moved out and is coming to visit. You know, feel like it's the first time you're feeding your family with that kind of food. When you're writing, feel like you're the best, most talented author in the world. When you're dressing up, when you're looking at the mirror, know that you're looking at the most valuable, unique, beautiful person in front of you. Know that that reflection staring at you is a product of years and years of experience, of struggles, of challenges, of hard work, of dreams, of love, of promise, of a future. Love that reflection looking at you, because that is you. Love yourself more than you've ever loved yourself in the past. So from this day on, let us promise ourselves to focus on what makes us happy, to stay away from things that cause us misery, to stay away from negative things, to address issues, to look at problems from a positive point of view, and move on, and have hope in your heart. Fight for what you believe, but make sure to not step on anyone's toes. Believe in yourself. Know that if it's not time for you to shine today, you are going to shine somehow, someday. Never give up. You are meant to be happy. You are meant to find your purpose. If not now, someday. Above all, let's be grateful. Grateful for everything that we are, for everything that we have. Being grateful is one of the most healing gifts that we can receive. That is the secret to being calm, to being relaxed, and to being contented. Love and light.